Okay, so now let's go ahead and add sound effects to our keypad. For that, as you know that we have this script right here, password manager. Let's open this up. Okay, and right down below, we will create a reference to a audio clip. This will be by the name of button press sound. Then another reference to a audio clip, and this time this will be the incorrect password sound. Then we need the door unlock sound as well, so audio clip door unlock sound, and then we need a reference to a audio source, so name it as audio source as well. And then for setting the reference, we can just simply get back right here on the door controller script, and just as we did right here, just copy this line, click on password manager, and in the start, let's do it right down below. Right here we need to change this from player to player transform dot game object dot get component audio source. Alright, then we need the method from the door controller, which is this play sound, so copy that, get back right here, and at the end paste it. Alright, then let's start from the button press sound that will be inside the on digit button clicked. Right here we play a sound, so we will say play sound, and for the clip we will pass the button press sound. Okay, then when the password is correct, we need to play a sound, so play sound, we want to play the door unlock sound. And when the password is incorrect, then we also want to play a sound, so that will be play sound the incorrect password sound, and that will be it for this. Alright, now we can go ahead and test it out. Alright, so if we get back here, if we press any button, okay, it is not playing the sound. As you can see, it doesn't play any sound. And the reason behind this is because we didn't add the audio clips. So before testing it out, make sure that you add the audio clips. So for the button press, we have this button sound. Alright, so click on this canvas again and add button press. Then for the incorrect, we have this error sound, I think. Okay, so make sure to add that. And for the door unlocked, we have a sound as well, which is this same one. So just simply drag and drop that as well. Then we can go ahead and test it out. Alright, let's click. As you can see, it plays the sound perfectly fine. So with this sound effect added, let's end this video right here.